Cooking has never been so much fun. New graphical recipes made easy to follow. Let's take a look at the full graphical recipe. At the top, you will see the name of the recipe. Recipes are built from our community of food influencers, some that you may already follow on Instagram or YouTube. Click Cooking Mode. And after you choose the number of servings you wish, it's time for some prep work. In preparation, you will see only the ingredients that need prep work before you start cooking. When you are ready, mark each as done and start cooking. Here we are. It's time for some fun. Start at the top and work through each line from left to right. At the end of each line, there is an active timer that you can use to follow your time at each step. Have fun! Soars.pro. Cooking made easy.